In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of adding sound effects to your TikTok videos. Make sure to watch until the end to ensure a seamless experience. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app, tap on the plus sign icon to start recording a short video or upload one from your camera roll. Once you've recorded or selected your video, tap on the check mark icon to proceed. On the next screen, tap on the Edit button located at the top right corner to edit your video. To add a sound effect, tap on Sound option. You'll see a variety of sound effects sorted by categories such as mechanical, daily life, human voice, amusement, transition, and more. Select the category that fits the sound effect you're looking for. Tap on any sound effect to listen to it. If you like the sound effect but don't want to use in your current video, you can bookmark it by tapping on the bookmark icon. If you want to use the sound effect, tap on Use. This will add the sound effect to your audio track. You can trim the sound effect from the beginning or end by dragging the edges of the sound wave. You can also move the sound effect left or right within your video by holding it and dragging it to the desired position. If you want to add another sound effect, tap on Add Sound or Add Sound Effect and repeat the process. Once you're satisfied with your video and sound effects, tap on Save to apply the changes. And there you have it, you've successfully added sound effects to your TikTok video. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and until the next time, happy TikToking!